Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: a widget-capable launcher and an accessible home page. First, long press an empty spot on the home screen to enter edit mode. This exposes widgets and home settings. Tap widgets because Android clocks are widgets, not apps. If you don't see widgets, open Settings Home app to confirm the active launcher. Once done, navigate to the clock widget list. That list holds analog, digital, and multi-clock variants you'll place next. Pick the clock widget that fits your layout and drag it to the chosen home slot. Make sure the space is at least the widget's minimum cells. Resize handles appear after placement on many launchers. Tap the widget to access settings. This lets you switch between 12-hour and 24-hour formats, enable seconds or date, and set world clock cities. Once configured, use any widget shortcut options to link the clock to alarms or clock app. This keeps functionality handy and consistent. Finish by arranging surrounding icons so the clock stays visible and balanced, then exit edit mode. If the widget doesn't appear or resets, open Settings Apps Clock and clear cache, then reboot. Make sure the clock app has no restrictive battery or data limits. If problems persist, switch to a different launcher or install a trusted third-party clock widget. This often restores functionality quickly. Remember, permissions and battery optimizations can block widgets, so double-check those settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.